Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creme brulee French toast. First, let's create our rich custard base. Begin by whisking 6 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture is pale and thick. Next, gently warm 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, strain the custard for a silky smooth consistency. Now let's prepare our bread for soaking. Choose a sturdy, thick-cut bread like brioche or challah. This will prevent it from becoming soggy. Carefully dip each slice into the rich custard, allowing it to soak up all that delicious flavor. Arrange the saturated bread in a baking dish. For the best results, cover the dish and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, let it soak overnight. It's time to bake our delicious French toast. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the custard in the center is perfectly set. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for just a few minutes before we move on to the exciting caramelization step. The final, magical step is caramelizing the sugar. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over each warm slice of French toast. Then, using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden, and crisp crust. If you don't have a torch, a quick broil in the oven works too, but watch it closely. Serve your exquisite creme brulee French toast immediately with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or a dusting of powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.